If you're cruising for the first time, it's a good bet that you're making one of these rookie mistakes.
From booking the wrong cabin
to getting hit with a massive phone bill because you forgot about airplane mode.
We've seen it all, and sometimes we have been those people. We're Jason and Becca from Monkey Love Travel.
And we're breaking down the 10 biggest cruise mistakes first timers make.
And how to avoid them. Mistake number 1, booking the wrong cabin. Not all cabins are created equal.
If you get seasick, avoid the front of the ship. Book midship and a lower deck. You don't want to book under a nightclub either.
Or next to the elevators. Ding, every 5 seconds.
We get it. Flights are expensive, but you do not want to book your flight the same day you depart.
We always fly at least 1 day early. It gives us time to explore, relax, find the city, understand it, and not panic if our flight gets delayed.
Yeah, because when that ship sets sail, it's not going to wait for your delayed flight.
Okay, this one seems obvious, but people forget passports all of the time.
Keep your passport, your boarding pass, and your travel documents on you.
I mean, Jason travels like a travel agent, so he always has everything we need.
I keep the originals on me. I keep a photocopy in our luggage, and then I keep a digital copy on our phone. Because you never know when you might need them.
Better to be over-prepared than under-prepared, right, babe?
Absolutely.
Okay, ladies. We, ladies, are all guilty of this one for sure.
And some of us guys, too. I certainly don't need to bring 4 pairs of flip-flops.
Yeah, you brought 2 pairs of the same identical ones last time.
Okay, fair, but pack for versatility, not quantity.
It's more about having something for everything, not having everything for something.
Cruises feel all-inclusive until you get that final bill.
Drinks, excursions, Wi-Fi, souvenirs, it all adds up really fast.
Set a daily budget. Prepay those gratuities and prepay for that drink package if you want it. That way you can enjoy it without the stress of the receipts.
It's short, it's easy, and it's mandatory.
Don't try to skip it, or you'll be one of those people that gets called out over the PA system. We've heard it plenty of times, and it's certainly like a walk of shame.
So go to your muster station early, have it, then enjoy the sail away party, and maybe grab a drink or two before.
This one's not exciting, but it's definitely very important.
Flights get delayed, luggage gets lost, sometimes things even get canceled. For a few bucks, it is peace of mind.
And some things sometimes happen mid-cruise, and that travel insurance can save you thousands.
This one catches a lot of cruisers off guard. Don't use a debit card for your onboard account.
Yep, that cruise line will place holds on that card, and it could take days after your cruise to clear.
Use a credit card instead. It protects you and releases holds faster.
You even have options to do a cash account once you're on board.
This way you can spend your money where you want and not have to wait for it to clear.
Tipping can be confusing. Some lines include it, some cruise lines don't.
If you're not careful, you might double tip without even realizing it.
But if someone goes above and beyond for you, please don't be afraid to express your gratitude.
A personal thank you means so much. This one gets expensive fast. Forgetting to put your phone in airplane mode.
Yeah, those roaming charges can add up to hundreds of dollars while you're at sea.
Before the ship leaves port, put your phone in airplane mode and use the ship's Wi-Fi instead.
You'll thank us later for this one. So there you have it, 10 rookie cruise mistakes first timers make.
Which one surprised you most? Let us know in the comments, please. We really want to hear.
And if you're planning your first cruise, be sure to check out our video of what item you do not want to pack.
Thanks for watching, and as always,
Every day is worth seizing.